Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best folding a bike battery in this video? I will show you the top 5 best folding a bike battery to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Foldable Electric Bike Battery. Specifications: capacity 10 to 20 Ah. Voltage 36 to 48 volts. Type lithium battery. Charger 2 amperes to 5 amperes. Color silver. Warranty 1 year. Cycle life more than 800-1000 times. Charger plug EU, US, UK, AU. Origin China. Number 4 is Rear Rack Folding Electric Bike Battery. Specifications: capacity 21 to 30 Ah. Voltage 24 volts to 36 volts. Type lithium battery. Battery size 415 by 148 by 68 millimeters. Warranty 1 year. Origin China. As the item number 3, we've selected Velobecane Foldable Ebike Battery. Specifications: brand name Trilipo. Capacity 10 to 20 Ah. Voltage 36 volts. Type lithium battery. Peak current 30 Ah. Cycle life 800 to 1000. Warranty 1 year. Sells Samsung, LG, China. Origin China. Weight 3.3 kilograms. Number 2 is Ebike Battery. Specifications: brand name ASABE Power. Capacity 10 to 20 Ah. Voltage 48 volts. Type lithium battery. Cycle life 80% capacity after 1000 cycles. Origin China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Engwe EP2 Pro. Specifications: brand name ASABE Power. Capacity 10 to 20 Ah. Voltage 48 volts. Type lithium battery. BMS 20 amperes to 30 amperes. Cycle life 80% capacity after 1000 cycles. Warranty 1 year. Origin China.